The Ghana Water Incorporated has restored water to parts of Region 3's communities as it addresses a reduction in production capacity to its wells along the west bank of Demerara that occurred 3 weeks ago.
Wells in Latour, La Parfait Harmony, and Westminster were affected. Since then, GWI workers have successfully restored the Latour well while there are ongoing works in La Parfait Harmony. GWI's manager for Region 3, Denise Wolford, tells InfoHub what assistance residents have been receiving since Thursday.
We're putting measures in place to do the tankers at least from 6 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. So our distribution hours will cater for persons who work and who will not be at home during the day.
The water is being distributed free of cost to residents in La Parfait Harmony. Director of Operations Dwayne Shako explains a technical aspect of the utility company's efforts to restore water.
We're working as fast as we can to get our well in operation by Saturday, so that we can restore back at least close to 40,000 gallons an hour, so we could be able to meet our demands in the Reg Dorsey and on the Nemen, which is the Phase 2 area.
The operations director also explained possible reasons for the water shortage.
From time to time, because of migration of particles in the aquifer, we many times experience a loss in production in the wells. Just the aquifer is just a large stream of body of water that is existing underground, and in different regions there are different depths. In Borbis it's about 1,200 feet. In Region 3 is about 600 feet, and if you go up to Essequibo it's about 350, 340 feet.
The water shortage is also suspected to be the result of incomplete works on a well built in 2010 under the previous administration. The situation had seen 39,000 gallons and 40,000 gallons depleted from the Latour and Westminster wells, respectively. Reported from GWI on Vicingen Road with videographer Jawan Jordan, Shaquille Bourne for InfoHub.